Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your wallet to Binance. First, understand that linking an external wallet offers greater control over your digital assets and enables direct interaction with decentralized applications. This process enhances your trading flexibility and security. We will cover the necessary preparations, the step-by-step connection, and how to manage your linked wallet effectively. Let's get started with the foundational knowledge you need. Before initiating any connection, it is crucial to prepare both your wallet and your Binance account. First, ensure your external wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, is running its most current software version for optimal compatibility and security. Next, confirm your Binance account is fully verified and has two-factor authentication enabled. Finally, always have your wallet's recovery phrase or private keys securely backed up and readily available, but never share them. Now, let's walk through the actual connection process. Begin by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the Wallet section, typically found in the top right corner. From there, look for and select the Connect Wallet option. You will then be presented with a list of supported wallets. Choose yours, for example, MetaMask. Finally, a prompt will appear in your external wallet. Approve this request to establish the secure link. After connecting, always confirm the link by checking your Binance interface for a successful connection message. It is equally important to know how to disconnect your wallet when you are finished or if you switch devices. This is usually done through the same Connect Wallet section. If you encounter issues, ensure your browser extension is active, clear your browser cache, or try a different network. These steps resolve most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.